My name is Neil Jones with A Perfect Fit Alterations, and we're on 102 Main Street, Burleson, Texas. Our phone number is 817-447-3522. Continuing on our typical sewing machine, we now come to the bobbin area. Now the bobbin area is very important. The machine is actually divided into two areas with thread. We have thread that comes from the top of the machine and goes through the needle, and we have thread that comes from the bottom of the machine and comes through is generated by the bobbin area. First thing that's interesting about the bobbin area is the bobbin cover, which actually has dimensions on it so that it can be used as a sewing guide. It actually has a diagram to show us how to install a bobbin so that we are able to attain the correct tension on the lower thread. Now there's tension adjustment on the top thread as well. The bottom thread tension is actually fixed by a service technician so that we would not normally adjust that as we were sewing. It would already be set for us. We have a bobbin casing here, which the casing appears to fit loosely into the rotary hook of the machine, but the reason that it has some slack in it is that while the machine is sewing, the thread travels around the outside of this bobbin casing and back up through in order to make the stitches. Now this area is a service area for the sewer. Normally you would not have to take this service part to a service technician. You would be able to do this yourself. We'd use a small screwdriver, loosen this screw here, remove this plate, and then we would clean out any thread residue that might be caught in the bottom of the machine. And that would be done every couple or 3 weeks if you were using the machine on a fairly regular basis.